It's very important. In the next 1 hour, we will be showing you how exactly you can derive the best value of the time, money, and faith you have invested in these 4 hours here. As mentioned, we have limits of how much videos we can show you here, but it is very easy. If you register in this website, all details which are necessary for knowing everything about KPR is in this. Whether with the review of the literature or thesis compilation done by Dr. Aparna. So everything, I think it was her PG thesis, everything that is classical and needed for KPR detail is there. And the PowerPoint presentation that you had here, Dr. Shankaran sir's, it's also there. And the Kuti Pravishika at home, whatever is being done by Dr. Tapan Vaidya sir, it's there. And Amalaki Rasayana is totally contribution of sir. Sir has shown the PowerPoint because it was not easy to show the video. It just takes a lot of time. So I have made sure that the videos are there. So if you see that and with the PowerPoint, you can do it yourself. And the darkroom building or Kuti, how it looks like, and my direct experience of 44 pages, A to Z. If you read that, you can just copy paste and do it for yourself. Every detail is given. It's totally documented. And the video of the Kuti, all details there. And this just to show a screenshot, the review of the literature, what all things it has. And thesis compilation, just screenshot, just that you know everything is there. And this is a PowerPoint we had in different shade. So we already had it, so you can easily go through that. And what is the protocol done by Dr. Tapan Vaidya sir for the modified or at home Kuti, all his experience. One thing you can be very sure of, at least from sir, Raviraj sir, and from my side, we are loyal. I repeat, we are loyal to you and to the system and to the community. So there is no hiding business. Everything is transparent. And this is the video. You can see on the cornermost, we are trying to draw what sir was telling us. These are my friends, Dr. Sajeev, a fantastic Marma specialist in Kerala. He's retired as DMO, retired DMO, and Dr. Rajesh Kaimal. This is all, whatever we had seen in 2012 in Kumta, which was a life-changing experience. Everything video is there. It is as good as you have directly been to the spot. And this is my experience, whatever was done on me, including the big Vamana. Why I say big Vamana? Because the Sadhya Vamana is also there, where I was vomiting blood. Everything, video. Nobody can challenge it, that there is something built up story. It's all yours in the video there, everything. And Kadle Days is basically the village of sir and my KPR. So every detail is there, all videos. So all videos basically, and overall feedback. This in the corner, this is called bioenergy evaluation, Kirlian photography. I totally believe in it. It's a Russian-Israeli collaboration, something like that, I assume. And the efficacy is fantastic. I had done on me before and after. And I must, after about 5 minutes, you will see a funny side of me. You will see how it is funny or maybe intimidating. Why I say it's so important and relevant, I mean, it's a proven system, Kirlian photography. What really made me surprised, the precision of it. The Kirlian photography person doesn't know my wife. Let me put it that way. He doesn't have her phone number. He knows only me. And he takes my Kirlian photography, you are not being shot, your fingers impression. He said to me, seeing my reading, Srijit, why are you abstaining from sex? I said, wow, only my wife knows it. I said, sir, what's that? Because so-and-so reading and so-and-so things. I said, sir, I am on that Parihara Kala, 45 days, and I have a Ganapati Homam to be done, and I'm maintaining that. That was baffling. One example. Such is the precision with just your fingers, your most personal details, this photography tells. I put just one example. So I believe in that. And also he has more than 2,000 people he has done. He does it for a serious hobby. He even has detected people with suicide tendency only with this. Very minute, many private details of people which only they perhaps knew this photography tells. So why I say that, we can always imbibe these kind of tools, well, to call it scientific or whatsoever. Some people like it that way. Deva Pacharya Chikitsa, Ramanacharya is on the third. It's just a screenshot, as you know. All videos of what was done, everything there with date and time, all details. It was done in Udupi. And this is the Kadle days, made small videos. And on the lower one, third one, it is the Palashu, the finished product. Sarah has shown the manufacturing, the finished product. And the dim light and whatever. Like, it's all inside Kuti videos. My narration and my hallucination, whatever was happening, you will hear that. And you know what? Stagil or Komali. If you want to say, you can say that. And I have a reason. I'm sure many of you may feel offended and quite upset, what is happening, etc. Can you imagine what was my situation for more than 3 months? The amount of taunting. The locals taunt. People speculate. They keep asking questions. They make stories. So you have to prepare yourself. And also, I could easily say that. Of course, I'll remove this after a minute or two. But I think when you see me like this, quite funny, or like a clown on a stage, you have to keep in mind it's a serious stuff. Your eyes can be very, very sensitive. I came out in March. Maybe that's why April, May, June, I was not very comfortable. Maybe I'm a Pitta fellow. Maybe that's why. Maybe a Kapha fellow doesn't have the sensitivity. But, you are a government doctor. And fun. Like this in the OPD. That to District Hospital of Kottayam. Our doctor, Jadakarnan Donu. They put a style on those who see the first time. It's very awkward. And people talking in such. When I came out, I was there first time attending OPD again. A previous patient who had already seen me before. I did not recognize him though. He said, Pudiya doctor aano? I said, Alla. Near the chair, oru valare cherpakkaranayirunnu. I thought, God, after KPR, do I look old or what? So these kind of things are not very comfortable, and you become a joker in this form in front of people. Well, I'd care a damn if somebody thinks bad of me, but still in a certain position, it's just not convenient. So I'm okay with it. But if you're treating a celebrity or whatsoever, or whatever, you have to keep this in mind. These things we don't study in the normal literature. So please keep the idea that you can always prepare a patient already using dark glass before getting in, and I had to go on like this almost everywhere except for night. This is a Kulin photography, and it's fantastic. Actually, once the person saw it, and he has done before and after, the first thing on seeing, he said nothing of the evaluation. He said, Doctor, I really want to do what you did. I don't know what you did, but that was impact he found. And all his phone number is there, Mr. Suman, every detail is there. And all these videos, everything that see on the cornermost third, it's all video of what he's telling, actually. So, I don't know, somewhere in the corner he saw something, he said, I'm abstaining from, whatever. And that was very precise. And just that you know, every detail of my experience is like this. I call it apocalypto, if you have seen the Mel Gibson movie. For me, it is definitely a new beginning of life. Not that I was unhappy, but there are different dimensions of being happy. So again, all details are there, very clear. And I'm not showing the video here, but if you Google KPR interview, Dr. Srejit, and Neil Peterson is the name, you'll see in the top. He is the first, what he calls himself as a black man, to travel around the world in a yacht. He calls himself a black man. He was from South Africa, or he is. And very daring. I mean, traveling alone in a yacht more than 20 years ago, it's a big thing around the world. So he had come to us, whatever. So he was very intrigued because the solitary confinement is also happening in the deep sea. I said Kuti was far more easier than being the deep sea. So anyway, if you want to see the full video of the Kuti, you will easily Google it and you'll find it. We can go forward. So these slides that were shown to you, they were basically trying to be told to you that all information is there in the website. I just want to prove it a screenshot. Because as seniors, I assume I'm a senior to at least many of you, we should make life easier for juniors. So I don't say that you have to copy paste the exact thing, but at least you have a module, you have a structure to play around or play with. And Coimbatore is actually what happened. I don't know if I should speak in a medical audience. You know, it's not easy to deal yourself in a Kuti. So I thought, endalum verude irikkuvalle kore mantrocharnam cheyyam. So I was chanting Panchakshari and other mantras. Ended up being nearly 11 hours chanting mantras for 35 days. 9 different mantras. Everything totaling to 204, 307 times. And I was chanting all this to the Rudraksha that I had taken with me. Our homegrown Rudraksha, our own tree. So that was a strength for me. Otherwise, you have 100 reasons to commit suicide. Or you feel extremely bad if you are not handling yourself well. And the Namah Shivaya mantra, Panchakshari variety, that Dr. Shanmugan sir had taught me, the variety, I had chanted more than 1,10,000 times. So Dr. Shanmugan sir of ARI Institute, Coimbatore, he's a very fantastic Varma specialist, very great master. He told me that there are some ways you have to culminate the mantra chanting. So that's what is Coimbatore, just that you know what the background is. Well, it's not necessary to do in a Kuti, but you're alone, that's the best time. The most important thing is honesty. We are not trying to prove a point. We are trying to explore with an open mind. And that's what it's all about. If you ask me frankly, I would ever do it, I would say the answer is yes. The feeling is very youthful. As per the clean photography and other things which were done, 35 was my age in 2014, and if the machines have to be believed, I don't know if that is the only proof we should rely on, my age showed 11 years lesser. Well, I always felt young, that's different, but in that parameter. So I still feel like a college boy. So I gel with youngsters very easily. I gel with people 20 years younger to me very easily, and even people 40 years senior to me, I gel very easily. So I'm very fine with all age group. But I can tell you that the college boy feeling, with all its ingredients you can imagine, had fantastically improved. No doubt on that. Very fantastic. But if you ask me, even other day my senior doctor in the ISM department, Sreeth, Kuti Prashniyatum, Kashandiyaga Tilijanala Vedinadu. So I don't know about the bald hair. I don't say I have more hair growth or such. I don't say there's a physical beauty more. I feel young, I feel good, whatever. The feeling is very, very positive and very strong. Physical, of course, but also psychologically. There are some things I don't know if I should say here. And remember Raviraj sir telling me, Doctor, after some months, you will have some things in your mind and you will realize what I meant. He did not say what. But definitely in 1 year time, I said to him in my mind and also directly, Sir, I know what you mean. I think that's easy to explore yourself.